This video demonstrates how you can access already saved chart from my chart menu in ChartExpo for Google Sheets add-on. Let's create a ChartExpo chart. Click on the Create Chart button. Gauge chart is created successfully. ChartExpo automatically saves your chart for each sheet in the My Chart menu. Click on the Menu button. Click on My Chart option. Select your sheet from the My Charts drop-down list. After the selection of your sheet, a list of saved charts will be displayed. You can take different actions from this dialog. For example, click on the View Chart option to view the last saved chart. Click on the Edit Chart option to change the data mapping. Data columns are automatically filled in the drop-downs. You can change them if needed. If no changes are necessary, you can proceed by clicking on the Create Chart button. Click on the Edit Chart button. Let's edit a few chart properties. The chart properties will be saved automatically. We appreciate your business, thank you. Please remember to subscribe to our channel.